WhatsApp notification demo. We use WhatsApp a lot on board this ship. It is the way that the whole 300 of us talk to each other and arrange things. If I left all notifications on, it would be ding, 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 ding all the time. I'm going to show you first on the iPhone and then on the Android. We go to WhatsApp, and on the iPhone, so notifications is a setting. That's when people write messages. Do you want your phone to ding, ding, ding? Notifications. The settings on the iPhone are under your little face in the lower right-hand corner, and notifications. And what I want you to know is that there are global notification settings and then individual group and people settings. So for the global group settings, I don't want it to ding, ding, ding with every message. It would drive me crazy. That is group notifications. Notice there's message notifications. That's talking about messages from people. Group notifications is talking about chat messages that are happening in a group. And I don't want a sound for group notifications. I will tap none and save. And under people, I do want the sound. And I might want a different sound. So you have all sorts of different choices. I like that one. All right. So globally, I have said, give me a sound for every personal message, and don't give me a sound for group chats. But let's say there's one group that is important. I can override the global with a group setting. How do I do that? I go out to communities and I find the group. It's under Odyssey Residents, and it's this one for passports. Passports we're working on making sure that we have the right passport for where we're going. And I want to be notified anytime there's a message in here. You just tap on the name of the group that's all the way at the top and scroll down, you see notifications. And it currently is set to none because that is the global setting. I say no, for this group, I want. That's good. So now, only for this group will I get a sound when there are new messages in that group. Now, on the Android, the same settings are there, but they're in different places. Let me just show you briefly what I mean. So here's WhatsApp, and you have to go all the way out so that it just says WhatsApp at the top. You're at the beginning of WhatsApp. And 3 dots. You don't have your little face down here. 3 dots and settings and notifications. And these are the global notifications for messages, meaning people, and groups. There also is no none setting, but there is a silent. Same thing. So it's still doing a sound, but the sound is silent. And to get into a group and override, once again, you have to find the group and then tap on the group name at the top, find notifications, and you can set the tone that you do want for that group or for that person. So there's a person, let's say there's a person named Jim that I say that I want notification for every personal message, but this Jim has just given me too many. And no, I don't mean this Jim. Let's say it's this Jim. And I tap on his name up at the top, and here are notifications, and I could mute just him. So my global setting for personal messages, I get notified, but this guy, no, I want to silence him. Okay, so that is WhatsApp notifications, that you have different settings for groups and people. They both have a global setting and an individual override.